Welcome to Food Nutrition. Today, I will share 6 easy nutrition and diet tips that can help you live a healthier and happier life. Let's start. Tip number 1. Eat a balanced diet every day. A balanced diet is the foundation of good health. Your body needs carbohydrates for energy, proteins for strength, and healthy fats for brain and heart health. Fruits and vegetables give vitamins and minerals that protect you from diseases. Try to eat different food groups every day instead of eating the same foods again and again. Tip number 2. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are natural superfoods. They improve digestion, boost immunity, and keep your skin healthy. Eating colorful fruits and vegetables is very important because each color gives different nutrients. Try to eat at least 4 to 5 servings of fruits and vegetables daily. Tip number 3. Choose whole grains. Whole grains are much healthier than refined foods. Brown rice, oats, and whole wheat bread contain more fiber and nutrients. Fiber keeps you full for a longer time and controls blood sugar levels. Avoid white bread, white rice, and sugary cereals as much as possible. Tip number 4. Reduce sugar, salt, and junk food. Too much sugar can lead to weight gain and diabetes. Too much salt can increase blood pressure. Fast food and deep-fried items are harmful to your heart. Try to eat fresh home-cooked food and use less sugar and salt in your meals. Tip number 5. Drink enough water. Water is very important for your body. It helps digestion, removes toxins, and keeps your skin fresh. Not drinking enough water can make you feel tired and weak. Try to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Tip number 6. Eat at the right time. Healthy eating is not only about food, but also about timing. Never skip breakfast because it gives energy for the whole day. Eat slowly and chew your food properly. Avoid late-night eating and overeating to maintain a healthy weight. If this video helped you understand better, like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the Food Nutrition channel for more simple nutrition and health tips. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.